Hey everybody, my name is Carlos Slaap, watchmaker in the Netherlands, and today I would like to show you so much more about the lathe. The Watchmaker lathe is such a versatile tool in a workshop. You can make new components, you can adjust existing ones. With the Watchmaker lathe, the accessories are endless because it's such a versatile tool. You can make so many parts in different ways and with such accuracy. To master this machine gives you so much freedom because you're no longer dependent on spare parts. You can make it yourself, the authentic way. If you're interested in watchmaking and watchmaking courses, please have a look at our website, groninglite.nl. Many new courses, and one of them is the Watchmaker lathe, a 1-week intensive training. We teach you without the dimensions to make the perfect fitting winding stem for any movement. Well, here at Groninglite we love our vintage machines. This one is at least 60 years old. I bought it from the first owner and he guarded it with his life because all the accessories are complete. That is where the value is, and how people are taking care of it. That's so important. We have at least 9 Watchmaker lathes here, but this is my favorite because I started working on it and we're just mates. The real value is in the accessories and in the collets. Handle them with care. Never tighten this with the collet with no staff material in there because they squeeze it and you just lose your accuracy. With the Watchmaker lathe, the revolutions are really important. It really depends on the material you're working on, if it's brass, if it's carbon steel. Traditionally, with the belt drive, you can change the diameter. With the change of the diameter, you change the revolution, the speed. But now we made a small adjustment with the motor and the frequency converter. So now we can change the revolutions and the speed so much more easier. But with the frequency converter, the torque, the power is still there on low revs, and that is beautiful to work on. So for us, there's no way back. The 3-phase motor with a frequency converter is the best way to go for the Watchmaker lathe. Even though it's so modern with a 60-year-old lathe, but this is for me the perfect combination. Traditionally, the motor should be mounted at the wall, and then with the belt drive, the vibrations aren't transferred to your work. But now to make it portable, the engine is here, but we mounted them on rubber, so the vibrations are less and less and less. And because it's a 3-phase motor with a frequency converter, it's the best combination for us. For me, the professional end result is all in how sharp your cutter is. If it's perfect sharp, you don't have to push against the item. It just removes material. So even with a hardened steel pivot, you can slightly adjust the diameter without pushing against it, and that makes a world of difference. If you ever wondered about the square on your winding stem, this is a lovely accessory. Exchange it with that one, and with this double roller you can guide your file. Over here you can see the index ring, so you make sure the axle is stationary, doesn't move. And here with the double roller, just the perfect height. With the file you can make the perfect square, 90-degree angle, make the next step. It's a lovely, lovely tool. For the parts we make in restoration, the parts are so incredibly small, the cross-slide just isn't accurate enough. If we do it by hand and by eye, and in daily work we use a microscope, it's so much more accurate and easy to use than just a clunky cross-slide. Maybe it's very useful for clock parts or slightly larger parts, but for the tiny watch parts we make here on the Watchmaker lathe, we just do it by hand. Well, the real value is in all the accessories. I love how complete this set still is, and the first owner really took care of it. I really do hope you enjoyed the small introduction in the Watchmaker lathe. We barely scratched the surface, but if you want to learn more, please have a look at our website, groninglite.nl. All the new courses are there. If a watchmaking course here in the Netherlands is a bit too much for you at the moment, please have a look at a book Watchmaking Explained, over 100 videos explaining watchmaking and makes it so much more fun to do. If you like the content, please like and subscribe and hope to see you soon. See ya. Bye bye.